The revolutionary era started during 17th century until 18th century. The revolutionary era started during 17th century when Europe experienced a series of changes that affected society, influenced the politics, and produced a cultural transformation. In the late 17th century, a good part of the early 18th were taken up by the work of followers of Newton and Leibniz, who applied their ideas on calculus to solving a variety of problems in physics, astronomy, and engineering fields. The mathematical section during the 18th century were for geometry, astronomy, and mechanics.
Fundamental theorem of algebra and solution by radical. In 1799, theoretical existence of word was done as stated in dissertation of Gauss. Gauss distinguished between abstract existence of word and algebraic algorithm for finding it. He made attempts to prove the existence of word and any possible of extracting the nth root of a complex number. He also noted that no algebraic algorithm existed for solving the general quantity, which also stated by Euler. However, Charles Hermite showed the general quantity equation can be solved by using elliptic integrals, which cannot be solved by radical.
Number theory is a branch of pure mathematics that deals with the study of integers and integer-valued functions. The first number theory notable figure is Pierre de Fermat. He is a French mathematician, founder of modern theory of numbers, and he is best known for Fermat's last theorem. Second notable figure of number theory is Leonhard Euler. He is a Swiss mathematician and physicist. He is the founder of pure mathematics, and his number theory work was suggested by issues raised by Pierre de Fermat as well as his own ideas.
Origin of the concept of probability. Plato and Aristotle used to discuss the word chance philosophically. Antimenes first developed a system of insurance which guaranteed a sum of money against wins or loss of a certain event. Development of classical probability. Blaise Pascal, a creative mathematician and an experimental physicist. During 16th and 17th century, attention was given to games and chance, such as tossing coin, throwing dice, or playing cards.
Statistics. Statistics derived from Latin Statisticum Collegium, councils of states, or from the Italian word statista, which means statesman or politician. In the early 19th century, collection intensified in the meaning of statistics, broadened to include the discipline concerned with the collection, summary, and analysis of data. In the 19th century, statistics, increasingly used for water theory, whose initial results were found in the 17th and 18th centuries, particularly in the analysis of hints of chance.
In conclusion, the revolutionary era started during 17th century when Europe experienced a series of change and that affected society, influenced politics, and produced a cultural transformation. It was a revolution of mind, a desire to know why things happen and to understand the natural laws. The 17th century is one of the intense activity and innovations in mathematics because of the advance in numerical calculation, the development of symbolic algebra, analytic geometry, and integral calculus resulted in a major expansion of the subject areas in mathematics. Mathematics was established as modern science begins during 1600s. 18th century was the time to develop the calculus and to expand analysis made in 1600s. The expanse and enlargements of trigonometry, analytic geometry, the number theory, the equation theory, the probability theory, the differential equation, and the analytic dynamics happened in 18th century.